I am the equipment manager, and if anyone of you out there wants to be the equestrian on this trip, then you will have to listen to the equipment management.
No!
First stop, Fresno, California.
That's the energy we got going on here. Wait.
We got Jem join the team. Welcome, Mr. LaPlage. Then Hogan, LaPlage, Ernst, and I drove to LA. First stop, Venice Beach, baby. Smell it. Hit Venice Beach, hit the park, got some food. Then the next morning, we had an engagement with the one and only Kevin Hart. And then Ernst, Hogan, and I decided to drive from Los Angeles all the way to San Francisco. It was a beautiful drive, as you can see here. And then guess what we saw?
Oh, there's Bird Rock. That's it! Right out there.
Bird Rock.
Dude, this is crazy.
And then Jem and I had a strange night in a hotel, and the next morning we went to Target.
Oh my god. He's so cool.
Oh, damn, bird. Thank you. We met an equestrian. Hit the city. Saw the sights. And then the next morning, we had another engagement with the one and only Steph Curry. And if I may say so myself, an incredible athlete. Super nice guy. Him and Bryson jived. Friends. Hit the sights again. Boys in the hood, you know, been smelling. Jem's alter ego got smashed. Oh, look at little Robbie. He's protecting his ball. He doesn't want anybody to touch it. Oh, little bally boy, so cute. How far did that go?
Probably like 3 feet.
What's the foresight say?
And then we'll go play.
And then the trip was over and we went home. And then like 1 second later, Hogan and I had to fly to New York to go to Ryder Cup.
$85 and I've lost it.
Took the train downtown, linked up with Boppy, hit the city, got some food, hit the park, hit the boroughs. And that night we went to some clubs, went to some, I don't know where we were. I don't know where, if it was Turkey or, I don't know, little putt-putt at the hotel. Can never escape golf. You fly across the country and there's a putt-putt in the lobby of your hotel in downtown New York. There we go, ping ball, Boppy. And that was basically the trip. Finish off the Ryder Cup the next day. Boys fought back. We'll get them next time. Peace out.